Hello there, I'm Yvonne DeSellis, coming to you on my channel, Y Energy. This is a very, very fast one, and I'm really hoping you are going to be able to hear me and also see what I'm doing here. I have a new microphone. I hope you don't mind the headphones. I know people don't like it, then I wear the ones that cover my head up like this, but not my head, my ears, especially when I have to do things over the ears. I'll move these out of the way the next time I'm going to do that. But for now, I'm doing an energy healing exercise that I would like to show you that helps with pain at the base of the back of the neck. And this is something you can do without any drugs, any medications, anything like that. If you wake up and you have a kink in the back of your neck, or you just suddenly start to feel very sore, and I mean right at the base, and again, I really hope you guys can see this, but I mean right at the very base of the skull, if you start to feel pain here, I'm going to just show you, actually, I'll show you two. One I learned very recently online from a chiropractor, and I remember when they said the name of this move, I remember thinking, "Oh God, that's so disgusting." But then the person who did this video said that the name is kind of disgusting, yes, but this will help you remember the name of the move. He called it the armpit sniffer. And I remember thinking, oh, that's so disgusting, but it really helped. So he said basically, if the right side of your neck hurts, you go to the opposite armpit for the armpit sniffer. So if the right side of your neck is really hurting, you're literally tilting your head down, going down like as if you're aiming for your opposite armpit with your nose. And again, I know armpit sniffer is kind of a sick name, but it made it memorable. And for me, with my short term memory being as bad as it is, any sort of mnemonic device, anything helps. And armpit sniffer's not a name I'm going to forget for a very long time. So, say you have pain on your right side, the right side of the base of your neck. It's really hurting. What you want to do is go towards the opposite armpit. So you tilt your head down and then tilt to the side. Again, aim for your armpit with your nose. You want to tilt it as much as you can, and you would then take the hand opposite and just pull your head down and towards the armpits. Sorry if my voice is getting hard to understand, but as I'm bending my head and going towards the armpit, it affects the vocal cords. So you can also push down, push the head down, but then I'm going to try to turn around again. I hope you can see this. I'm going to use a magnet. He recommended a spoon. He recommended either using the curved part of the spoon or using the opposite end of the spoon, which I know you can use to do what I'm about to show you. But I tried this with a magnet because I've learned through Donna Eden's daughter, Titania Dallin, and I will put a link to her video about using magnets for helping with pain problems. So I'm holding this up because this is one of the magnets I actually bought from her. I'm just trying to tilt it so that I can bring the rhinestone into the center on the bottom. You want to use the north side of a regular magnet, and these are magnets that I bought from Titania Doll. I actually only got the one magnet, but the one that has the rhinestone on it is the north side of the magnet. So what you want to do, if you have pain on the right side of the base of your neck, or left side. If it was left side, you would go to the opposite corner. But usually for mine, it's on this side. So I find myself doing this. So the next thing you would need to do, if you still have the pain problems, you can use your thumb if you want to. You can just press down really hard. He recommended putting lotion on before doing this with a spoon, but you can use the north side of the magnet and you just press in against the pain and down, and you just slide it down. And he said eventually your skin will turn red underneath where you're doing this. I really, really hope you guys can see and hear what I'm doing here. But you basically, it's almost like you're scraping. So you press it down against where the pain is and then scrape down. And eventually you'll see that the skin starts to turn a little bit red. That's what you want. Basically, what's happening is there's a problem with the circulation back here and you're getting it going again. But in addition, you're helping with the pain because you're using the north side of the magnet, pressing it against where the pain is, and then pressing down and off. And you just keep doing that for a few moments. And then when you're ready, you just bring your head back up. You can do stretches if you want, although if it really, really hurts, it might be painful to do stretches, but hopefully this will give you some relief. The armpit sniffer combined with this should hopefully provide you with pain relief. So, anyway, as always, namaste. Thank you so much for your time. I really do hope this helped you. And if you know anyone else that this could help, could you please share it with them? As always, once again, thank you so much for spending your time with me. I know your time is important and I know you're probably really busy, so I really appreciate you spending your time here with me and I hope you'll be back. Again, thank you so much. Peace and light. Namaste, and I will be back. Take care of yourselves. Cheers. Bye bye.